Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you tips and tricks for iOS and Android users. By knowing these tricks you can easily get smarter in your daily routine works with your phone and can fully customize your device according to your own wish. So let's get started. So before we start, I want to give a huge shout out to trulyoffice.com, the #1 alternative to Microsoft Office. Truly Office is a comprehensive office suite that offers all the essential tools you need to create, edit, and share documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. It's packed with features that reveal Microsoft Office, but it comes at a fraction of the cost. The pricing of the software is a one-time purchase fee, and you will get a lifetime license, and there are no hidden fees. Plus it has all the features you need to get things done, just like the beginning program, and is compatible with Windows and Mac. There are no ads and it offers a 30-day free trial. You can get 15% discount by using the coupon code TechVibes15 to get 15% discount. And they offer a variety of payment options to suit your needs. And the good thing is they are not expensive. You can get it in very cheap price, and they offer a 24/7 customer support. So if you are looking for a powerful, affordable, and easy to use alternative to Microsoft Office, then I highly recommend checking out Truly Office. The link is available in the video description. If your phone was stolen or you deleted the contacts by mistake, you can easily find your old contacts on Facebook Messenger. Open the Facebook Messenger and tap on your profile icon. Click on Phone Contacts. Here click on Manage Contacts. Here you will find all the list of your old contacts. Sometimes typing things like email address, URLs, and of course long addresses is a pain. Your iPhone has a text replacement feature that lets you type just a few characters rather than spending forever typing the actual things. Go to Settings, General, tap on Keyboard, then Text Replacement. Tap on plus on the top right corner in the phrase field. Type the word or phrase you want to create a shortcut for. In the shortcut, type the text you want to replace by the phrase, and that's it. If you are going to buy second-hand Android phone, you can test the phone before buying with a just simple code. Open a dial pad and dial *#0*#. With this, you can test the speaker, camera, touch, sense, and almost everything. If you want to remove the background of any photo without installing any app, all you have to do is open your browser and enter remove.bg. After this, upload your image here. It will automatically remove your background within seconds. You can also download it on your phone gallery. If you want to record a phone call or WhatsApp call, all you need to do is install an app called Recorder Cube. With this app, you can easily record your phone's calls, WhatsApp call, Skype call, email call by pressing on the Mac icon. It's very simple and easy to use. If you want to make a free call all over the world without balance, all you need to do install an app Dingtone on your phone. Here you will get the 15 credits when you sign up for the first time. You can also get the daily free credits by watching the videos and daily check-in, and you can use this credit to make a free call. Just like everyone else. You also want your phone to charge up as quickly as possible. So if you are in a rush, put it in aeroplane mode and it will use much less battery life and charge your phone more quickly. So that's all for now. If you like my video, hit the like button, comment on below if you have any question. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.